guard the train. I must tell them everything is clear.
Dispatcher here. You are cleared outbound. Over. Thank you much. Cleared outbound. Out.
Now that they are signaled, we are moving. I hope no one robs it, like they always do. He probably doesn't know I snuck off, so I must be very quiet and still. Now I must help stock up. Now that I have stocked those up, I must stock up the log. Now that the logs are put in place, I must continue the train. Mr. Boat, bad guy, how did you get here? I thought you were in prison. I broke free. We shall fight. The train is going to start.
You are cleared outbound. Over. Thank you much. Cleared outbound. Out.
Oh no. This is just like first time. We shall fight once again. Perfect. The sticks I must get. My plan is going well. Untie me. I will never untie you. My plan is going well. Oof. How did you tie me up? Let's just say it's all part of my plan.